A brand new Samsung phone has just appeared online even before its official launch. The Samsung Galaxy A57 5G has already been unboxed in an early hands-on video, giving everyone a clear first look at the device. And the most interesting part is that the phone shown in the video comes in a stunning icy blue color that instantly grabs attention. This early hands-on video was shared by a tech user known as Early Tech India, who posted both the video and several photos of the upcoming Galaxy A57. Because of this leak, there is now a much better idea of how the phone actually looks in real life, long before its official launch. From the very first moment the phone appears in the video, the design stands out. The icy blue color gives the phone a very fresh and premium look. It feels modern, clean, and stylish. Samsung has clearly focused on making the phone look elegant while still keeping the design simple. The back panel looks smooth and polished. The icy blue finish reflects light in a very subtle way, making the device appear more premium than many other phones in the same category. The color itself feels calm and attractive, something that will likely appeal to users who prefer stylish smartphones. Another thing that immediately stands out is the camera layout on the back. The cameras appear to be placed vertically, following the design style that Samsung has been using in many of its newer smartphones. The camera rings look clean and minimal, giving the phone a neat and organized appearance. Even though this is just an early hands-on video, the camera setup is clearly visible. The lenses look well aligned, and the overall design keeps the back panel looking simple without too many unnecessary design elements. This approach helps the phone maintain a premium and modern feel. Moving to the front side, the display also looks very impressive in the video. The phone features slim bezels around the screen, which helps maximize the viewing area. A larger screen-to-body ratio usually makes content look more immersive, and that seems to be the case here as well. At the top center of the display, there is a punch-hole camera cutout. This design keeps the front of the phone looking clean, while still providing space for the front camera. Samsung has used this style in many of its recent phones because it helps keep the screen distraction-free. The display itself appears bright and vibrant in the video. Even though detailed display specifications are not confirmed yet, the screen already looks sharp and colorful. Watching videos, browsing social media, or playing games on this display should feel quite enjoyable. The slim bezels around the screen also give the phone a more modern appearance. Compared to older mid-range smartphones, the Galaxy A57 looks much more refined and premium. Samsung seems to be continuing its strategy of bringing flagship-style design to its A series lineup. Another interesting thing noticed in the hands-on video is how comfortable the phone appears to hold. The edges look smooth and slightly curved, which should make it easier to grip during daily use. A comfortable design can make a big difference when using a phone for long periods. Even though the video mainly focuses on the design and external appearance, it already gives a good idea of the phone's overall build quality. The device looks solid and well constructed, which is something Samsung phones are usually known for. Leaks like this always create excitement because they give an early glimpse of what is coming next. The Galaxy A57 is expected to be one of Samsung's important mid-range smartphones, and this early hands-on look is already making people curious about the full specifications. The icy blue color might also become one of the most popular color options for this phone. It has a modern look that stands out without being too flashy. Many users prefer colors that look premium yet simple, and this one seems to strike that balance perfectly. Another thing that makes this leak interesting is the timing. The official launch of the Galaxy A57 is expected soon, which means more information about its features, performance, and camera capabilities will likely appear very soon. Until then, this early hands-on video gives a nice preview of what the device will look like once it officially arrives in stores. From the design to the display and the color finish, the phone already looks like a strong addition to Samsung's A series lineup. Many smartphone fans are now waiting to see the full unboxing and detailed review of the device. That will reveal much more about the performance, camera quality, battery life, and other important features. But based on this first look alone, the Galaxy A57 already appears to be a stylish and attractive smartphone. Samsung seems to have focused on delivering a premium design experience even in the mid-range segment. The big question now is whether the phone will also deliver strong performance and features to match its beautiful design. If it does, the Galaxy A57 could easily become one of the most popular mid-range smartphones of the year. What are the thoughts about the design of the Samsung Galaxy A57 in this icy blue color? Does it look like a good upgrade for the A series lineup? Share opinions in the comments below. And for more updates, leaks, and the latest smartphone news, Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so the next big tech update is never missed.